Now this is gonna be fun. Finally gonna go ahead and install the exhaust on my 86 G-Body Cutlass. You guys are probably gonna ask, so what car is it? Let's do a quick backstory on what we've been doing on the background of this car. And here it is. It's my 86 G-Body Cutlass. This car here, I've had it probably about 5 years now. Super fresh on the inside. Just smells 80s, I love it. So we've got this thing ready because went ahead, some of those doors closed, isn't it? Just love it, absolutely love it. Went ahead and got small block installed and it's 350 small block, nothing crazy out of this world. Kind of want to bring this back period correct. Went ahead and got a GM serpentine setup on it also, kind of like off the OBS trucks and everything. Be nice because I got the delete pulley right now, but air conditioning is going to be in this car, heat's going to be in this car. This will be a functioning street car. So we're finally getting the exhaust installed in it because this thing's been on jack stands for, oh, I don't know, months. So I'm freaking ecstatic. So went ahead and got the exhaust. The mufflers are back there. I'm going to go ahead and get you guys underneath the car so you can see what we're doing with the exhaust. It's going to be a full 3-inch X-pipe, tailpipes out the rear. The difficult part is trying to get those tailpipes over the back. We'll figure that out as we go. All right. Full tear and gaskets. Full 3-inch exhaust, tailpipes and all. Over the rear. Installed. Nice there. And it's got clamps and everything. Somebody's had this on a car before. And they told me it was off of Monte Carlo. So my goal is going to get the big old tailpipes over that rear end. And that little opener right there. We're going to find out. Let's see if we can get this exhaust on first. One is longer, shorter. So my guess is, but it fits. Find out. Let's see. Get this to go. We're gonna try something different here. Put these in outside, then add the collectors. That's what we're gonna do. Let's go ahead and get these mufflers down here. Now I bought this kit off the old Facebook Marketplace. Like many of us, where we find some killer deals. Came off the G-Body, so I was told. Probably, it came off of Monte Carlo, if I remember correctly. Part of that noise. So, we're gonna see if we can get this to dial in. Offset this way. Hopefully. We don't know, bought this exhaust a while ago. So we're gonna see if it'll all fit. It's a problem people use band clamps. Don't use these clamps. They suck because they pinched all this stuff. I'm gonna go, let's try the other muffler. Sometimes you don't know who went to what side. There it goes, that's better. All right. Probably gonna need another floor jack for this guy. All right, so we went ahead and got, this is the transmission pan we're putting on the car. Comes with these small, little 3/4 inch threaded bolts. Get this transmission pan installed on the Cutlass. This is a pro when you're fucking at me. I definitely got something in there, huh? Yes, sir. Cool. Let's see. Oh, maybe that's what they used. The other bolts.
Oh, should have listened to myself and gone with the bolt it came with. Now we got one that's stuck. We'll get it out. Drain plug's important, because when you do these freaking things, you try to pull these pins off with fluid in them, you get junk everywhere. These are the nice Moroso reusable gaskets. I like these because they have a nice thick flange. They're pinched down on them so you crush them, and they lock in. So likely not going to leak much of anything. But don't over tighten them like they say, because that is definitely not good. We're in. Ta-da! We didn't scratch it. All right, here it is, the 86 Cutlass G-Body project. A lot of stuff to button up on. I've got a brand new set of spark plug wires I'm gonna also put on there. Had these old Moroso ones that didn't quite fit. I'm gonna put them nice, they're numbered as well. We went ahead and got the sway bar installed. You guys will see me doing that stuff. Had to get new end links put on there. We're gonna change upper lower control arms on this car long term, so I'm not too worried about what it looks like down there just yet, but I went ahead and got the sway bar done, new end links, because those are gonna stay there. We're gonna go likely either UMI, upper and lower control arms, maybe Rytec, not too sure yet. Throw me some comments down there what you guys think fits best. But again, the car is getting closer and closer to being done. My goal this year, 2025, was to at least get it running and driving. Make sure you guys stay tuned, because now I'm gonna be very busy the next couple weeks as we approach Christmas. So we're gonna get this car down on the ground, and it's gonna drive out this garage. So stay tuned, throw me some comments down there if you wanna see or know anything else about the car, because I'm freaking pumped. This car's been sitting for over 2 years waiting for this.